and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and today is a very special vlog. Welcome to Khloe's birthday vlog. Woo! Today is Thursday, December 17th. Khloe's birthday is Sunday, December 20th. So, you know, you have to prepare before you have a birthday. She is turning double digits. So, hey girl. So how are you feeling? You're about to be in the double digits. My Christmas baby, y'all. We came home from the hospital December 24th, 2010. And here we are 10 years later. What's funny? I mean, it's 10 years later. Sunday, officially, it'll be 10 years later. Y'all, I explained to Khloe that we are in the middle of COVID. We're not doing anything. We're not going anywhere. And she has been hyping her own self up like for the past about month, counting down. I don't know why, y'all. I mean, I don't know why. Anyway, she doesn't want braids for her birthday. Again, I told her we're not doing anything. I don't know why she need a birthday hairstyle. But I mean, because I am the enhancer and I'm just a tad bit extra, I'm going to oblige, you know. She will get a birthday hairdo. Khloe, how do you want your hair for your birthday?
I want a high pony braid.
A high pony braid. But how old are you turning? I told you.
I'm turning double digits, Mama.
Okay. Okay, she's turned double digits. So I did agree. So I went to the beauty supply today and looky. I'm gonna let her get some color, y'all.
It's not the first time though.
It's not the first time, but the other, like, it didn't have this much color. Look at this. You guys, stay tuned. What are we doing?
I'm doing the online shopping spree as well as I'm gonna get some Robux.
All right, girl. Well, we are signing off and we will see you soon. Hola, y'all. Today is Saturday, December 19th, and it is 5:23 p.m. B, say hi. Say hello. We have been doing some running around, trying to get everything together for Khloe's little surprise for her double digit day. And we have the cake and the sweet treats in the back seat. I actually should have taken y'all in Five Below so y'all could see. That was ridiculous. The line was wrapped all the way around the corner. Anyway, we picked up another gift, a small gift from Kroger. We're gonna put it all together in the morning. Trying to surprise her. Hopefully she will not wake up really early because she is super excited. And we're able to actually pull off this just kind of small surprise. See y'all in the morning. Good morning. It is 4:47 a.m. Don't judge me. Yes, I'm just waking up. That's why you see all this. I haven't done anything because I am trying to beat time. I'm trying to set up before Khloe can wake up and see it. I want her to be surprised when she wakes up. So now I have to do it now. I feel so crazy, but just stay tuned.
I go to work.
And Daddy is up with me. What do you want to say to Khloe? You're not asleep. Get up.
Happy birthday, babe. Daddy loves you very much. I hope you enjoy your day. I pray that you continue to have many more.
Okay. Are you participating in the karaoke? No. All right, y'all. Everything is just not going as planned. I don't know what I was thinking about this one and this zero. I bought one of those little helium tanks from Walmart, and don't ever buy those. I only got 9 latex balloons blown up out of that. And I still have the big one and the 0 to blow up. It blew it up partially, and then it just stopped. Instead of going by another one, I decided to take these to Kroger and see if I can get them blown up. But now listen to this, really crazy. Messed over myself because I paid for these balloons and I kept my receipt, and I was supposed to take them back to Party City yesterday to get them blown up. Well, I didn't, because I was like, well, I got a helium tank, I could blow it up. Now it's costing me more money because I could have gotten them blown up for free at Party City with my receipt. And now I'm taking them to Kroger to get them blown up, which I might have to pay for. It might cost me the same as purchasing the balloons. Just dumb. Like, got caught sleeping and the birthday girl woke up before I was ready. This is what we have so far. That's the t-shirt she'll put on today. Birthday cards, jeans, and the table. But just look at some of these treats. TikTok thing, yes! The Big 10. What do you think, Khloe? You like, you're not saying anything, you just... Girl, just open that. I forgot to add one of the key things to my table for the sweet treats. These right here. There's one that fell out. These are, let y'all see. These are personalized sugar cookies. Savage. Hey, look at that. For the TikTok queen. I forgot I was supposed to do that.
Khloe.
Yes, let me see it. Y'all check out the birthday girl. Yeah, she is sharp. Y'all, she is dressed now, ready for her photo shoots. We're about to eat, and then Khloe wants to do family karaoke, so we'll see how that goes.
We go to Walmart.
And then
Or Five Below.
Wait a minute, you got a Claire's gift card, not Walmart, not Five Below.
Yes, but I still want to go get a couple things.
With what, Khloe?
Your money.
Negative. You know your birthday is 5 days before Christmas, right?
Yes.
You opened 2 cards earlier, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So, Walmart, Five Below, fine. Negative. Wow. So you're not, you have all of this, that, I mean, what? Let's take these pictures. All right, y'all, we're about to go get the food. The birthday girl's request for eating is what? Cheddar's Country Kitchen. So we are going to pick up some cheddars. But first, go turn that light off in the garage.
Oh, you going to turn the light off?
Come on, go.
Oh.
Go!
Oh. Oh.
What is that?
It's a new iPhone.
And that's why we're not going to Walmart or Target or Five Below. My bad. All right. Come on.
you wasn't in enough. Your hands gotta be in there.
Scoot up some. D, you almost had it. You almost had it.
Walk in, walk out, let's go. Word. So, walk in, walk out, let's go. Word. All right, come on.
Khloe.
Hey! Hey!
Finally. Finally.
I ain't even gonna try this, so I'm gonna just go like this.
No, do it right.
Let me get my
Do it right, D. No, not with your tongue hanging out like that.
Go back.
Before it was even
All right, it's time to sing happy birthday to the birthday girl. Come on, Daddy. Okay, we got the big sissy right here. Got D hard. All right. Come on.
My diamonds are shining.
Your diamonds are shining. Let me see. Ooh, they shining.
Got a pick.
Dad, oh man, he's saying we know. Do y'all hear this?
What you mean?
Always football talk.
Dude, I ain't supposed to go for them.
I didn't say that.
I'm quarterback, bro.
All right, come on. One.
Enough of all of that.
Nah, you
One.
Wait. Make sure
I'm going for it.
these look perfect.
But I'm doing it from this angle.
Mama, why can't you stand in the front?
That's a better.
All right, come on, Khloe. They're not going to stay like that. All right.
Your head keep hitting it.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Woo, woo, woo. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Khloe. Oh, you ain't gonna do it now. Birthday to you. Woo! To ya. Happy birthday to you. I'm singing with you. Okay, whatever. All right, Khloe, make a wish. Don't tell anybody your wish. You have something to cut the cake with?
No. I never cut a cake before.
Okay, well.
Take that out, Khloe.
Yes.
DeAndre,
It looked like Khloe's phone she got today.
Do I just cut it like that or just
Cut it down the middle.
Cut. You could cut it into, like, make a triangle, like cut it here.
Could it be even come? Because it's leaning like a mother.
Yeah, it is. It's
The
about
cake
to,
leaning?
It's leaning.
the cake been leaning. Cut it, Khloe.
The cake a lean.
Y'all, today has been a successful day. And it is now 6:51 p.m. in the evening, almost 7 o'clock. And I am starting to yawn. I'm sleepy. And the birthday girl has been TikToking.
For the last few hours.
So how did you enjoy your day?
It was fun. I really loved it.
COVID style, 10th birthday. She was actually surprised because she didn't think she was getting anything for her birthday.
I just thought it was going to be a few presents on the table and that's it. But then I got a new phone and everything.
But not only that, you walked out to a whole little...
Party set up and
Yes.
I got a phone. I got a Roblox gift card and a Claire's gift card.
And what do you have there on your arm?
A watch.
And she got a smartwatch. So she had the perfect COVID style birthday. So let's sign off.
Bye. Adios, beauties.
Adios, beauties. We will catch you in the next video. Have a happy and prosperous new year.